They just shook up their buses, right?
What?
They just shook up their bus system in Sacramento. How's that going?
That'd be nothing to. Cal Train
Oh, it's
Depot.
tomorrow. How did you get the weekend off? You didn't have to drive it?
Because I work, there's three distinct divisions. There's the cutaway, the buses.
Can this bus operate in regular service?
Monday to Friday, not weekends.
Can this bus operate in regular service?
No wheelchair left.
They didn't have ADA yet.
It's a small one.
We're doing the 20 in Columbus.
Okay, got it. Interesting.
You lucky guy.
That's one of the hardest parts about being a bus operator.
Yeah,
You
it's,
don't
you don't
control
have,
your schedule.
but the division I am in, I get weekends and holidays off.
So you're mostly like driving suburban routes?
One shot, all right. We don't have to get on the push. We don't have to push.
It's the hardest switch back in the system.
Now we'll go around the block and try it again. No, last year we had to push 776 over the bus.
Yeah, I remember. Was that Jerome driving?
Yeah, him or Tracy.
Are you, is it pretty busy or
I
not?
see Jerome about once a month.
He'll be out here tomorrow.
Great guy.
I'll be back tomorrow.
I do like probably pick up today.
20?
It could be the same person that's since we only charge regular fare,
Yeah.
50s, that by sometimes a lot cheaper than
Yeah. Well, hopefully that grows in terms of ridership.
it grows, but also it eats into the big buses.
Yeah. Well, it's hard, the suburban areas are very large.
Very different. Very different.
Do you want to drive a big bus?
Oh, yeah.
It's more, are you willing to give up your flexibility or
It's a little more money.
it's a little more money.
Yes.
Hey, why are you backing up, sir?
No good buses.
Hey, why are you backing up into us, sir?
These no good flyers and the no good 800s, which subsequently Flyer E800.
You go to Reardon?
Yeah.
Good school.
Yes.
Yeah, I used to teach at
Never been Boston before?
Brandeis School.
I went to public schools before. One of the only private schools I went to was Reardon.
What, where you go to school?
Mount School, APG.
Oh, I know APG.
Yes. And then I went to
Go
Mission.
Jaguars.
And then I went to Mission before I went to Reardon.
Okay.
I teach at Everett across the street.
Oh. I didn't like Mission.
Mission can be tough.
What?
Can be tough.
That's a pretty common sentiment.
Mission is not the best school. I do not recommend it.
It's a tough crowd.
You go to Lowell.
I don't like Lowell either.
Lowell's like the people. If you want a really tough school and you want teachers a little bit boring, go to Lowell.
The teachers I met at Lowell were really interesting. The problem was that student expectations were so high. The kids were really, really stressed out.
Yeah, if
In a
you want to
way
be stressed
that
out and you want a lot of
made me-
homework, go to.
It made me feel uncomfortable every time I went to Lowell. I like Lincoln. It's a little more relaxed.
Mm. Oh, there's an 8 behind me going to Phelan Loop, 2 blocks away from Reardon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go. Yeah, the Lincoln Class 85.
Can you take this bus on the 49 now? Can you take this bus on the 49?
There's no wires out there on Van Ness yet.
To Phelan Loop.
Could we go? Yeah, go at 14 on the part of it.
I don't care, they're being about you.
How many points have we hit it?
Being my
way.
way.
Old-timer because they thought
Being my way.
You must be an old-timer because they
Found
call
on
it...
road, dead.
You must be an old-timer because they call it Unity Plaza now.
Yes.
So does doing cutaway service require the Class B, or is that?
Yeah, I still got like some of the waves I got.
Score.
Because and they do it for if you don't want to have the hassle.
Right. So if you want to cross over.
Food festival.
Oh my god, that crowd.
And do you still accrue seniority?
Right now, for my second for this micro transit, I'm actually number 1 on it.
But if you transferred over to buses, would you lose your seniority? Or would you... Okay, so it's all the same... I'm trying to guess, it's the same seniority list.
As of right now, there's 4 seniority lists.
Oh, wow.
So I'm actually number 1 on micro transit. The big bus seniority, the right rail, and the other seniority bus services.
Right. So for uni, we were all the same seniority lists, so you could...
But we only
Fire
have only 2.
extinguisher.
We have the
Door bypass
metro
switch.
and
No, they're all the same seniority. So like, my number was 5116. If I had had enough seniority, I would have been 5116. Like,
They go 6667.
Are you still
Where's
operating?
the loser car bus?
What?
we got to do my best though, for which I am eternally grateful.
I like 6666 or 6669.
So you're a train operator.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you like that?
69.
I don't mind it.
6669.
It's a lot quieter though than like driving a bus.
Yes, it is.
Those have air conditioning, do they?
Smells worse. Our equipment is older, so we have more breakdowns.
right behind the idea of
At first, healthy.
right behind the idea of launch gauge.
Yeah, I mean, that was silly, but some of our equipment isn't even solid state, it's all, it's all relays. So, like, when you're in the cab of the train, you can hear the relays clicking as they process data. And our train control system is sort of sound powered.
There goes the Transmerica
So
building.
you can hear the occupants
To our left.
as they're processed through
The
the
bus
train.
works pretty well.
It's the weirdest thing. It's very cool.
I was concerned with art is such a spike in like quality of life issues.
It wasn't designed to handle this.
KOL's big, but also we've been having a lot of trespasser incursions.
Oh wow. Really?
And then they get under trains.
Yeah, every time I ride art, it seems like there's this. Yeah.
And I was sweeping trains out of service at the end of the night. The second to last train of the night, the third to last train of the night. The last double of the night. Things you would see were really heartbreaking and difficult to deal with.
Well, I was reading about how people like in Pittsburgh they get off
There's no
again.
buses, yeah. Or the airport, like, I would be sweeping trains at the airport or Daily City. Welcome to Daily City, you gotta get off the train, the station is closed.
Yeah.
Well, where am I supposed to go? I don't know, it's like...
There's the Mac, Daddy.
There's a Mac.
Like at Richmond, you go.
Laughing policeman reenacted.
I mean, the station, right? So you have to like sweep through the train and then people like
Depends.
Yeah.
If we're going to be doing procedures in the yard of the train,
Yeah.
yeah, so like if I need to break a train in half, or if I need to do some yard moves, break off a couple of cars, replacing that order, but that we'll generally sweep. Otherwise, we're just going in now.
There's a Mac,
So
Daddy.
you get off then, but
Back
then you
and
walk through
Daddy.
the cars, and then
Big
there's
guy.
people on there or what?
No, I get off the break room and the inbound operator walks through, you know.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. Speaking of stuff, something we do often because it's time consuming.
Yeah.
And so in a place like Richmond, if you've got a train every 7 minutes, you need to process those trains through the system. You need to process them, transfer traffic, get that moved. You just don't have to. Because what starts out as a very comfortable 22 minutes.
Oh, there goes the knobby.
Platform to the time you dispatch out. Once you sweep, it becomes 14, 12, 10, and those two cars need to do storage tracks and things moving. granular operations. My job is to keep the train moving and automatic as all possible. So that mostly means that I don't
What would you characterize that? Boring. You said boring?
Oh, it's extraordinarily
Next off Market Street.
great because beauty was
California Street.
Should be at the wall.
And that's good at Howard.
42 is here. Cable car.
Shot it all like the yeah.
Are any of your fellow students interested in Muni also? Or just you?
I know one other who is a sophomore. I'm a junior.
Yeah.
I know one other. He might be coming this weekend. He said he was going to come this
There's
weekend.
19 is up at Kearney.
19's up at Kearney.
So are you looking at colleges, my friend?
I'm not sure which one to go. I'm completely blank.
That's good to keep your options.
Harvard, Yale, Oxford.
I'm not going for any of the really high quality schools.
San Francisco State University, go
City,
Gators!
City College is free now.
Silly College is free. Thank
Silly
you.
college.
Silly College is free.
Oh my god.
I live
Yeah,
across the
you
street
can go to
from
clown school.
You can go.
Silly College of San Francisco.
That's why I became a fire.
My dad's a teacher at City College.
Yeah, they have a good fire science. Good firefighter. Where'd the train go?
Oh, no.
They moved it. No. Yeah, the number one. R1.
Car 1 couldn't make it today.
The trolley's been down.
I'm sorry, Car 1 couldn't make it today.
Have you ever rented car one?
I have.
Yeah,
It's pretty.
fun.
It's not along church.
What?
It's not along church.
It broke down.
Yeah.
Pressure went out.
Yeah. Sadly.
Yeah, my friend rented it for her birthday.
There goes Salesforce. Lovely Salesforce.
Yeah, they're moving into Center
Okay,
Running.
raise your hand if you want to go for transfer. Let's get in. Last trip we'll do transfer.
They're done jackhammering in front of my house. And 3 in the morning. Like they were last night.
Yeah.
That's not.
It smells so historic.
Yeah, they still have the wires back up.
Yeah, it must have run that in there.
Yeah, they take wire. They drop it.
Yeah.
There's the transfer.
Oh, there goes an MCI.
It's going up.
Okay, also, for like 8 years, I think. The 30
Salesforce. Yay. Temporary transfer terminal is not operating anymore. Sadly.
it goes, 30 goes
It's
to
waste.
Amtrak and stock left, after the war, yeah, it goes on. Yeah, Jefferson. Actually, never taken 30 out.
It's not operating anymore.
Green X.
Sadly, the Salesforce is no. As you can see, temporary transfer terminal is not in operation anymore. Sadly, except for Greyhound and Amtrak, obviously.
Yeah, because they're running every 2 weeks. Running every 20. Well, because of the flooding, right? The tunnel. They're running basically just
145.
I had that one the other day.
Do you like that?
Alright. I like 47 and
147. I haven't seen an 800 yet. A new Sandtrans 60 footer yet. I hope not to see one. Yuck, I found a dye bread. I found a dye bread. Yuck.
I know.
Yeah, which sucks.
I know. Ugh. This must still takes off. I've been on 3 years. In the business. Oh yeah.
Yay, we made it.
You're still alive.
Just barely. For now.
Green bus, get ready to go. 776.
Okay, honk. So we can get on.
Got air conditioning.